Good day, people. I am on one of my friends' farm. I'm showing you her yam. He's on her yam ground. It look pretty amidst the storm. These were affected by the storm. We see how they are being restored and looking better. So I'm just walking you through to show you what is happening. This is her potato bed, fully covered. Right now it won't cut off. So they slip them. Look like a carpet. All of this is sweet potato. We have gungo here, sorrel, a little sorrel right there, some right here, covered with sweet potato, man. So she's trying, they are trying, a gentleman and a lady, they are partnering in farming. We have a little corn, some plantain sucker. See how much the potato cover the place. I don't really want to walk into the property, so let me take this route. We have okra, everything, carrot. See there, this is carrot, drying down to draw. Plant a little of everything, which is good. You can find something to eat when the time is right. Alright, so you have some more carrot here, so pumpkin. The sun is on it. So the potato bed over there, planting corn, little of everything, which is good. Peas, we have all of that. Walking through, I see some young pumpkin. To be careful that we don't step on them. Right, sorrel again, sorrel here, even ginger. This is ginger, Harvey. Now ginger this. Ginger, man. Strawberry, they look like they're drying down. Right, we only see one good one. Oh, okay. Sorrel plant, they look good, man. And the gungos. Gungo tree, they look good too.
So Saturday stuff I started your funeral, you know. Aye. Saturday come here.
Cause the carrot they look good, man. You pull some today?
Yeah, tomorrow I just about me can go out there and can
So nice one here, so.
Look at it point to
Yeah, when we're ready. It is strawberry, you look pan.
We did give and choose already.
But we can't go over there, we can't go over in place. No, we can't do that. No man, I can't do that. That's the strawberry over there. You just plant our?
Just plant, I plant my plant.
I might take out sucker. Oh, yeah. Look from this. Which brother? Oh, okay. Smith, we know him, man. I know him. Yeah, man. Look from this. You see how this bed pretty. Your video it and show now again. When this catch off nice. You have strawberry can buy, can sell rather. Yeah, I saw him. I need two of them planting sucker there now. Yeah, man. You need two for your plant. Build up the breed. So you have a nice hot pepper tree under there, so. Yeah, man. Me just a video while me are talking, you know. So that's yeah, man. Me I show the people they want to do, man. You know, making good at farming in spite. Me not go in detail, but me just go at the front. Yeah. Me not ready for the carrot yet, here. Here, Harvey. Me not too ready for the carrot. Yeah, man. But they're ready though, you know. They're ready. You have to draw them up before they burst. The rain come and burst them. It's a colored green. Colored green this, right? Yeah, man. We'll go over there now and video the yam. You come? No, man. Not me. Me come for it when come me want plant it round so. Yeah. Right. Build up the breed. Good when you can do some planting. Have your stuff. Huh? So have a pumpkin plant. All of these you can see. Show you some before. Show you again. I'll go to the yam ground now. Go look. Huh? Yeah, man, me do it. Me not see it. Alright, let me come back. Since you want me to. Where it is? Okay, wow. What a lovely pumpkin. Look like pear. Wait, hold it again. Nice. You have to hide it, you know, you can't expose it too much. No, you're not killing nobody, not on this video. No matter where you come from, no killing here. Anyway, come. Come this way. We don't subscribe to that here, sir. Not at all. See another young pumpkin too, as a matter of fact. See one there. I see one here, so. Yeah, man, come. See one over here, so. Tab here, man. We have quite a bit. Can't hungry, man, when you have these things in the ground. Huh? Yeah, man, I saw them. I just did it. You have bush cabbage, good for the stomach. See it here. You have ulcer. You squeeze that and drink it. Man, you don't have to see any doctor. So, he has a little of everything. He's giving me permission to walk to him place and video. Yeah, man, nice. Go. You just need some water. We have arrowroot here, so. Have you no plant no cane again? Plant some more, man. Plant some more. Huh? No, man, I didn't. I saw it, I know figure say something. Oh, cabbage. The sorrel plant pretty. Wow, nice. Look from this, you have sorrel can cut. Yeah, man, see it here. All chocho. You know, the other day I heard that chocho is $300 and something a pound. I can't believe. Chocho of all the thing. But when I was growing, I just see them. Never pick them up. Not even eat them unless me feel like. I know chocho is $300 a pound. Just to tell you how things are expensive in this country. And the economy terrible. See another young pumpkin. See it right there. Yeah, alright. Right, it's looking good, Harvey. Looking good, man. Looking very good. Yeah, man, you're doing well. Oh, then I can thief out or something.
You can't carry back cocoa and take back over here.
They take over here. This is our white sorrel.
This is the white sorrel.
Okay.
Them look this is the white sorrel.
Mm-hmm.
Them are late yam.
Okay.
Cassava.
Yellow yam. Mm.
Cassava.
And these are the Jerusalem peas. Alright. Yes, man. Well, you should get one stick.
I used to bread down.
Oh.
Then the plastic man.
It's a beer still.
Come better put it back.
Mm-hmm.
And then put them man.
Mm-hmm.
I done the yam blow down yesterday and check up it back.
Yeah, I figured. Yeah. I was just telling the people that it came through the storm. It weathered the storm. Bounced back. You know, look bad at all. Yeah, two more lovely planting tree. Yeah, man, I'll get two.
You can get two.
Right, so that's a 4. Build up the breed. So who plant cabbage? Just you?
No, man, I say
Abel? Okay. Okay.
Yeah, well, I also know I finish.
You have hot pepper.
Eh?
Hot pepper.
Yeah. You see the cassava?
Just one little spray.
I finish.
This one here?
All the way you say, yeah.
Oh, that's your line. Yeah, man, it look good. A beautiful view. Just pray that it is covered under the blood of Jesus and nobody not take you something. And reap it before you, because we good at that. Good at that. When you come in at the field, stand up in it, pray and say, Jesus, you see how hard me I work. 2 sentences in here and he answer and he understand. Ask the Lord if you cover your stuff. Too much pray there last me. Yeah, but say the land is fertile and you used to Liza before, so it's still in it.
No, I never used to.
You never? Well, the land rich, man.
From your paya, them in a use for when me daddy did.
It's good.